Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Toyota 4Runner wiper blades. First, gently lift the wiper arm away from your windshield until it locks into an upright position. This prevents the arm from snapping back and potentially damaging the glass. Next, carefully examine the wiper blade where it connects to the arm. You'll find a small tab or button that needs to be pressed or squeezed to disengage the blade. This is a crucial first step for a smooth removal process. Once the tab is pressed, you'll need to angle the wiper blade itself. Typically, you'll want to rotate it about 90 degrees from the arm. This specific angle allows the blade to clear the J-hook or pin that secures it. With the blade angled correctly, gently slide it downwards or outwards, depending on your specific 4Runner model, until it completely detaches from the wiper arm. Always hold the arm firmly to prevent it from falling. Before installing your new wiper blades, take a moment to inspect the wiper arm itself. Check for any signs of rust, bending, or other damage that could affect the performance of your new blades. It's also a great idea to clean your windshield thoroughly, removing any dirt or grime that could prematurely wear down the new rubber. Finally, double-check that your new blades are the correct length, typically 24 inches for the driver's side and 20 inches for the passenger side on many 4Runner models, to ensure optimal coverage. To install the new blade, simply reverse the removal process. Slide the new blade onto the J-hook or pin until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached. Once both new blades are in place, carefully lower the wiper arms back onto your windshield. Test them with your washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear your view effectively, providing optimal visibility for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.